Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affairs in detailed manner. It means one topic, one video in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is most important for every type of exam. This is President Draupadi Murmuji approves Gallantry Awards for Armed Forces personnel. And total 70 service members are honored for act of bravery and distinguished service. So this topic is most important, and watch this video carefully and listen carefully and watch till last. So this is Gallantry Award 2026. But first of all, you have to remember what is Gallantry Award. So the Government of India instituted the Gallantry Awards to honor act of bravery, courage and sacrifice by the member of the armed forces, other organized force and even civilians. And these awards are announced twice a year on Republic Day and Independence Day. And soon after independence, the government introduced the first Gallantry Awards in India on 26th of Jan 1950. One is the Paramveer Chakra, second is Mahavir Chakra, and third is Veer Chakra, with their effect dating back to 15th of August 1947. And in 1952, three additional awards were created. One is Ashok Chakra Class 1, Ashok Chakra Class 2, and Ashok Chakra Class 3, and also considered effective from the same date. These were later renamed in January 1967 as Ashok Chakra, as Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So, President of India Draupadi Murmuji approved Gallantry Award 2026 for 70 armed forces and central armed police forces, including 6th posthumous honors in recognition of their exceptional courage and sacrifice on the eve of 77th Republic Day. So very important. And the awards include 17 peacetime gallantry decorations. One is Ashok Chakra, 3 Kirti Chakras, and 13 Shaurya Chakras. First of all, we will discuss these 17 peacetime gallantry decorations. You can see this image, and the first is Ashok Chakra. Captain Subhanshu Shukla. I think you can remember the name Subhanshu Shukla, who scripted history by becoming the first Indian to set foot on the International Space Station, honored with the Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award. And the most important question for every student. And he is a fighter, combat leader, and experimental test pilot, and was chosen as one of the 4 Gaganyatris for Gaganyaan program. And on 25th of June 2025, as a part of the mission named as Oxium 4, remember this mission, Group Captain Shukla boldly embarked on a 20-day journey to the International Space Station, marking a historical milestone for India's human spaceflight program. He became the first ever India aboard International Space Station and the second Indian to travel to space after a gap of more than 4 decades, or the 40 years, after Rakesh Sharma, who flew aboard a Russian Soyuz in 1984. So remember, Subhanshu Shukla is the first Indian to visit International Space Station as a part of the Oxium 4 mission. And for his exemplary endurance, bravery and devotion to the duty, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla is awarded with Ashok Chakra. Most important question. And next in the line is Kirti Chakra. And total winners are 3. 2 are from Army and 1 is from Air Force. And first is Army. This is Major Arshdeep Singh from Assam Rifles. You can see the picture of Major Arshdeep Singh. So on 14th of May 2025, Major Arshdeep Singh led a special patrol mission to sanitize the area along international mountain boundary. This patrol came under sudden and unprovoked fire from a dominating height. So, demonstrating valiant leadership, he ascended the height through thick undergrowth and guided his team to vantage position to dominate hostile element. So, his fearless leadership, conspicuous gallantry, and unremitting resolve eliminated multiple armed cadres, ensuring zero casualty to own troops. So the officer's extraordinary bravery, fortitude, and devotion to the duty exemplify the highest military tradition. For his valor and exceptional leadership under fire, Major Arshdeep Singh is awarded with Kirti Chakra. And next is Nab Subedar Doleshwar Suba. Nab Subedar Doleshwar Suba is a highly skilled and battle-hardened soldier who was leading his squad in inhospitable and isolated terrain of Kishtwar district. For displaying commendable bravery and unparalleled courage under fire, Nab Subedar Doleshwar Subha is awarded with Kirti Chakra. You can also see the picture of Doleshwar Subha. And third one is Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair, and he belongs to Air Force. He is a qualified flying instructor and experimental test pilot. He is one of the 4 Gaganyatris chosen for the India's maiden human space flight mission Gaganyaan. He was selected to be a part of Axiom 4 mission as standby mission pilot, wherein he underwent advanced mission training alongside the primary mission crew member. And for his exemplary endurance, bravery, and devotion to the duty in his unprecedented expedition, Group Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair is awarded with the Kirti Chakra. Most important awards are Ashok Chakra and the Kirti Chakra. Next, you can see the Shaurya Chakra, and total winners are 13. So you don't have to remember 13 with the exam point of view. You can remember posthumously only one winner is there, and this is Baldev Chand. You can remember the name. And this year, two women officers of the Indian Navy. You can see here, 2 women officers of the Indian Navy. One is Lieutenant Commander Dilna and second one is Lieutenant Commander Rupa, conferred with the Shaurya Chakra, which is India's 3rd highest peacetime gallantry award. Next is 1 Bar to Sena Medal. So this is very important. Sena Medal, Bar to Sena Medal. Bar to Sena Medal signifies a second or subsequent award of the Sena Medal with a silver bar attached to the ribbon or a miniature insignia worn when only the ribbon is displayed, showing the soldier has performed further act of bravery or distinction. And this award goes to one army personnel named as Satya Pal Singh. Remember the name? Satya Pal Singh. Next is Sena Medal, and total 44 army personnel are there who received Sena Medal. So Sena Medal, also known as Army Medal, is awarded to the members of the Indian Army of all ranks for such individual act of exceptional devotion to the duty or courage as have special significance for the army. Awards may be made posthumously, and a bar is authorized for subsequent awards of the Sena Medal. Next is No Sena Medal, also known as Navy Medal, and it is a gallantry award for servicemen in the Indian Navy, and total 6 Indian Navy personnel are there who received this medal. Next is Vayu Sena Medal. So with the name you can remember, this is Air Force Medal, and it is a military decoration usually awarded in the peacetime for a job well done in Indian Air Force, and total 2 awardees are there. You can also see the name of these awardees. This is No Sena Medal, this is Navy Medal, total 6 personnel are there, and Vayu Sena Medal, 2 personnel are there. One is Wing Commander Shobit Vyas, and second one is Junior Warrant Officer Kirpal Singh Salaria. And apart from the gallantry awards, the President of India also approved 301 military decorations to armed forces and their personnel. These include 30 Param Vishisht Seva Medal, 4 Uttam Yudh Seva Medals, 56 Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, 9 Yudh Seva Medals, 2 Distinguished Bars to the Sena Medal, 43 Distinguished Sena Medal, 8 Distinguished No Sena Medal, 14 Distinguished Vayu Sena Medal, and 135 Vishisht Seva Medal. But you don't have to remember these medals. These are apart from the gallantry awards. So you have to remember No Sena Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, and Bar to the Sena Medal, and the most important is Ashok Chakra and the Kirti Chakra, and 2 things in the Shaurya Chakra, that is posthumously awarded to the Baldev Chand, and 2 women are there. One is Lieutenant Commander Dilna K, and second one is Lieutenant Commander Rupa. I hope you like this video, and this information is most important for every type of exam, and watch again and again so that you can remember for long time. And share this video as maximum as possible and press the like button. So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.